Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your cell phone with joystick and also the remote control handle. Search JBH Health from App Store of your cell phone that you can find JBH Health. Then register with your cell phone number. Next, we turn on the power of the joystick controller here. And then touch the arrow on the left hand side here until we see the barcode come out. Touch JBH from your cell phone. Then you find add device, we touch on that. And then JBH scooters. Next. And then you will find a device waiting, and then we touch and then we can scan the QR code on the joystick controller. And then we touch the insure here on your cell phone. Once you have app down on your cell phone, you just simply scan on the controller. It's really simple and easy. Then you will find a green dot on the top. That means the connection is really good connected. Let's touch the button here. Then you will see the control panel here for remote control the wheelchair. We can control from here to move forward and backward the wheelchair, or turn right or left. Really simple and easy. The connection of the remote control handle is really simple and easy. Simply just touch the center button here. Keep on touching until you see the flashing of the Bluetooth icon on the screen. For the very first time we have the handlebar connection, we need to touch two buttons here. At the same time, keep on touching for around 5 seconds. Release your finger, you will see the green lights keep on shining. That means the connection is done. After that, if you want to use this, simply just touch this button here, then you can do connection very well. Once we have the connection done, simply just move this little joystick on the remote controller to the front. We can move forward or backwards or to the other side. Touch the lock button here, that you can lock the joystick here, that the joystick won't move. Touch the unlock button here, that you can unlock the joystick controller. That allows you to do operation. I hope you find the connection of cell phone and also the remote control handle is really simple and easy. Thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair.